Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine by the mercy of Allah. Our today's topic is how we can develop our writing skill. So let's start our video. Okay. So if you want to develop your writing skill, at the very beginning you have to understand about sentence pattern. So that's why our first segment all about sentence patterns. You can see that sentence parts and patterns powered by AR English Academy. So here I write down all about sentence pattern. So after completing this segment you can able to understand any kind of English sentence pattern. So in our next video I will make video about this topic. You can see find the parts of the sentence, how many parts of sentence, and what is called name. Okay, then what is the relation between subject and verb. Okay, then you can see that it's a very popular pattern of English sentence: subject, verb, and direct object. But in next you can see that you can see that subject, verb, indirect object, and direct object. At the very beginning of a sentence we use subject, then verb, then object. But there are two types of object: direct object and indirect object. So at first we have to use indirect object, and at the end of the sentence we have to use direct object. It's a structure of English sentence. So when we understand the English sentence, we can able to write anything correctly. So that's why our first segment all about the pattern of English sentence. So here you can see that 21 slide, and we have also a PDF file about this topic. So after completing our video I will give you this PDF file. Okay, so then let's go our next segment. Our next segment is okay. So we can write English, but we cannot write English like native writer, like professional writer. So how we can write like them? Okay, so if we write like them, we have to know some basic idea. Like, it's a very famous book in the world, the art of styling sentence. Like আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি যে আমরা খুবই ক্লান্ত, এটার ইংলিশ হইতে পারে এরকম যে we are very tired, but আমরা ওইভাবে না বলে আমরা বলতে পারি we are exhausted. So it's you can find difference between two sentences. The first sentence is like a beginner writer, and the second sentence is like a professional writer. So if we go through this book, we can able to write like native writer and professional writer. So here the writer talked about 20 topics, and every topic has some subtopics. So I will disclose all of the hidden treasure of this book, and I am also can able to write anything English correctly, and like native writer and professional writer. So in our next video we'll make our video about this topic. So keep learning. Till then, Allah Hafiz.